Excellency, today, before you, I'm your minister. But before, I've been working under a civic organization, PLU, headed by General Moz. On behalf of PLU, our civic organization, I would like to thank you for appointing our patron now, Chairman, General Moz Kenerugaba, as the CDF. We are grateful. Next to me is this gentleman, Councillor Dr. Katerega of Masaka. We were in Masaka doing our patriotism lectures and the tour. I and my colleagues, Frank Gashumba, Honorable Chinyamatama, Honorable Javira, Toyota Michael, and the rest of the other key members, Sarah Chiimba, and the Councillor Bulegea. We met a group of new people, they are councillors, 8 of them. They accepted to join the patriotic mission. However, we told them we don't have a political party. We subscribe to the NRM. I'm a member of the NRM. So our political party, our organization is purely to advocate for patriotism, moyo gwa gwanga. For them, they were doing the patriotism, destroy the nation. So we spoke to them and they accepted to work with us. He said he will be happy one day when he meets you. So when I had this opportunity to come, I said I should come with my colleague Bebe Cool, my sister Juliana, my mother Aboli, your sister. We come along with him as a member of a family. I've rehabilitated him. You will also add more lectures on him and a team of 8 others from Masaka, 5 from Kalungu, 6 from Bukoma Simbi. These are local members of
Kwebaza mwaka ensoso kumulungi yakumende Project Media TV ninganja kusaba video jimpele like olunaku olwaleero omukulu Balaam barogahala olunaku olwaleero abadde swearinga in nga minister omujja owabavubuka era nga atakomye kwekyo awerekeddwako omukulu Big Size Biebe Cool kosa ne member w'ekibiina kya NUP era ng'ono yasanze eddiiro nadda mu kibiina kya NRM kale kwegamba yo omukulu Balaam omulimu yagutandikiddewo dda ogw'okubanga awamba emitima gy'abavubuka ate okuzzaako side eno your new couple on the block have raised the bar high kwegamba ekintu kino bakiwaniseemuko Honorable Nyamutolo olunaku olwaleero naye abadde aswearinga in era nga minisita omujja kwegamba yawerekeddwako omukulu Eddy Kenzo naye banange simanyi oba kino kirekawo omukyala Rema Namakula kwegamba ex-we omukulu Eddy Kenzo atukubye muziro era nga banange Team Rema tuwe tuli twenyweze twetuloza katika tufunye dokita banange Kenzo tumulese ntiazi naye mnaye kano katekeke yatukubye ko katusu ate yele Jasmine ne Carona Ntongo wenjogerera abo banonyeka ebibanje walala kubanga ononya mtoro yazze kubikola byonna anti wanabanga minister mnashi nga tugenderawo kwegamba Eddy Kenzo yategera ka positioning yategera ebintu ebinene omukyalo ono era nga wobalaba smile zibata sagala nakubanga nsukkawo wanino ninga Project Media gwe mukutu twagala okubanga tuyuzayoza Honorable Nyamutolo wamu ne Eddy